Everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our reports, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. You can also sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, very choppy day in the overall market. The NASDAQ finished up 1%, the S&P 500 ended up 0.3%, and the Dow up 0.2%. While the major averages ended in the green, the sector performance pointed to an overall underwhelming performance during the session. 9 of the 11 S&P sectors posted losses on the session. And as I dive in here, there's not a lot to be bullish about in terms of sectors, especially about the weakness in the banking stocks and also in the commercial real estate sector. My video last night was talking about the Yellen and Powell clown show. Right now, those two are not instilling a lot of confidence in the market, and that is seeing a bid into Bitcoin and gold. I am not a gold bug. I'm not a crypto bull, but again, I'm getting more and more bullish, more on Bitcoin than gold. Gold is just not as appealing to me, but Bitcoin, I know it's hard to buy here at 28,000, up from 20,000. It's something that what makes the most sense with crypto. I've traded in the past. I've done very well with it, and then last year, and I've talked about this on the channel, when you had the old FTX debacle, I mean, I almost put money on FTX. I thought it was a good exchange. I fell into the narrative of SBF. Thank God I never transferred any money or I put money on the exchange. I thought crypto was going lower. I was right. I didn't short it. I didn't play it. But again, thankfully, I didn't put any money on FTX, and that's what's made me gun shy about going back into crypto. When I do, it's going to be Bitcoin only. So again, I am watching this. If you really want to play the sector, again, Coinbase, they got the Wells notice from the SEC. I talked about this last night. Stay away from the exchanges, the exchange stocks. I think Coin, BKKT, these are going lower. The three best bets in the sector right now are RIOT, MARA, M-A-R-A, and HIVE. These are 3 Bitcoin mining plays. Major short interest in all 3. And I think if Bitcoin keeps climbing higher, right now we're at 28,309. It's gravitating. It wants 30,000. There is resistance at 32,000. But again, I think the narrative is bullish for crypto going forward. So that's where I stand. I'm becoming a convert. So again, leave your comment below if you agree with me, disagree. I know it's a tough call right now. I welcome your comments and your input. But again, overall, in terms of the market, especially the SPY, buying index funds or whatever, we seem to just not be going anywhere. Just a lot of chop. And then, you watch CNBC, which I don't watch CNBC, but I go by the clips, and you got Leon Cooperman, a lot of smart money. They're just saying that they think the market's going to be, sideways for many years. And it definitely has been doing that. It seems like we've been around 380 to 400 on the SPY 410 just for the longest time. We rise, we come back down. We're at these levels. They buy the dip, buy the dip, sell the rallies. So again, some people are good at trading chop. I am not. I'm looking for a trending market, that is why, like I said, the price action on Bitcoin is certainly leading me bullish. I know, and then on AMD, jumping ahead here, AMD and NVIDIA, these chip stocks are continuing to run higher. What's interesting is NVIDIA, a lot of people are really trying to play it with puts. They think it's getting toppy here. I have no position in NVIDIA, but I tend to agree that I think there's more downside than upside at these levels. It's bounced from 140 to 270. Next thing you know, Kramer, he's going to be saying buy it here, and the inverse Kramer is going to work. So again, guys, leave me a comment below what your thoughts are on NVIDIA, if you think this is going higher, or if we've peaked out here. So again, I'm looking at a short-term trade. I think the risk-reward here is more geared towards the downside than the upside. But right now, commercial real estate stocks, I talked about this last week. Vernado down again. SL Green down again. Boston Properties down again. It is really hard to be bullish or make a case for buying these commercial office landlords. The banking sector will get bailed out, but commercial office landlords are not. The real estate sector will not get bailed out. So it's a lot of these mortgages are going to be have to be refinanced. You have the work from home. You have a lot of office vacancies. Vacancy rates are higher. COVID really changed a lot of everything with work from home. So again, I would not own any of these commercial real estate plays, and I certainly don't want to own the banking sector right now. The charts are just absolutely horrible, and everyone's talking about the regional banks. Look at Bank of America. I mean, fresh new 52-week lows here. Wells Fargo, new lows today. This is not instilling confidence. If everyone's saying, well, you got to be in the major money center banks, well, yeah, with your deposits, but where does an investor, if he wants to own bank stocks, hide out? I say avoid them at all costs right now. It just is not appealing. I traded Schwab last week. I did well. I thought it was just an overreaction. I bought some at 49, but I sold at 60. It was a trade. I got in, got out. Here at 52.89, I don't know where we go. It's major resistance at 60. It just seems like we're going to go back down and test the lows. So again, if it does, I'll look at the. I mean, Schwab is going to be around. It's not going away. They even said today, if there is a run, they have the liquidity to withstand it. So again, Schwab's not going out of business. It gets under 50. I certainly will look to add to start a position again with accumulating a nice for a trade. Again, I think these are long term, it could be very choppy. So again, at 52.89, I am completely neutral here. Under 50, I am interested again. Some stocks for tomorrow. First up, TRKA. A lot of chatter on Twitter right now. This here is, the buzz is market makers screwed up and misinterpreted the last filing with the Series E shares. They never hit the market. The market cap remained at around 67 million. So they loaned short shares based on the 344 million, which put the shorts in a bad spot. Jefferies is now going to be buying back the E shares, and they won't hit the market. Shorts will need to cover a massive amount of shares due to this. If this is accurate, it, buckle in. Next week, there should be a PR of the E-shares buyback. Hold your positions. This is not financial advice, nor is it confirmed 100%, but it certainly would explain the activity of the past week and a half. Good luck to all. And the stock is bidding up in the after hours. So again, this is what everyone's talking about. I cannot say if it's true or not, but you know, right now it's buy the rumor, sell the news. So again, I've been talking about TRKA. You know, I said it broke 20, was bearish, but they're going to try and they're taking it back above 20 in the after hours. So again, that is your line in the sand. Above 20 cents, you want to own it. Below 20 cents, you don't want to own it. Again, not financial advice. Next up is AUPH. There is speculation that an unnamed suitor may be eyeing a takeover of AUPH, according to a Betaville uncooked alert, which cited people following the situation. There's talk that JP Morgan may be involved in trying to put a transaction together. The latest dispatch comes as AUPH has been the subject of takeover speculation for over a year since Bloomberg reported in October 2021 about a potential bid from Bristol Myers Squibb. The speculation also follows after AUPH surged 38% on January 3rd after the company said it reached a settlement with India's Sun Pharmaceuticals over the patent challenge of its lupus nephritis treatment Lupicinus. The settlement with Sun Pharma appeared to spark some renewed speculation that the company could be a takeover target again. Deal Reporter speculated at the time that AUPH could be viewed as a takeover candidate with a patent overhang lifted. So again, could be a nice risk-reward setup here with AUPH. Lastly, guys, over on the OTC, I'm not a fan of the OTC, but again, I respect price action. That's the thing that if you follow my channel, I talk about price action. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about making money. And I don't care how you do it as long as it's not illegal, but it's all about, at the end of the day, making money, and you have to respect the price action. And right now, trips, we could be going into trip season on the OTC. And for those of you that follow OTC, know what I'm talking about. When the OTC starts getting hot, it starts in the 000 plays. That's where, you know, you have low floats, you have, you know, reverse merger plays. And today we had BDPT up 120% and VNTH up 75%. So again, this is certainly indeed bullish price action. I will be watching the OTC. If this starts getting hot, I will be looking at more 000 plays for our subscribers. So if you want any of those types of plays, make sure you click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Guys, it's completely free. You can even unsubscribe, get our report, unsubscribe. I don't care. It's up to you. It's a completely free service, and you can see the level of research that we do here at insiderfinancial.com. Oh, one last name. I've been talking about this one a lot. AI, this has been a big winner for insiderfinancial.com. AI up almost 10% today. They're getting ready to release a new product. There's just a lot of chatter on this one. The shorts are all over this one. Almost 26% of the float is short. We can really get a major squeeze in this one. And what I really like about AI is the founder and CEO is Tom Siebel. He sold Siebel Systems to Oracle back in the 2005, I think it was, for $5.8 billion. AI is his second unicorn. This guy knows what he's doing. He's gearing this one up. I think AI will be bought. AI is indeed the place to be. It's the hot sector, and we'll be doing a lot more research here at insiderfinancial.com. And you can go to insiderfinancial.com and look at all the things that we've talked about in the magnifying glass. You can search for any of the stocks you want to that you're in or that we covered. We recently came out with a report on AI stocks finding a bottom. AI, SBIG, SOUN, FNGR, XAL. Go ahead and read that. Again, we try to find the momentum for our subscribers before it happens. So it's all about getting in, riding the momentum, and then getting out. We're not into the diamond hands, paper hands BS here at InsiderFinancial.com. With that being said, finally, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.